the reason why we can talk about he has got a record. Kuti akapinda power from 2017 up to now. We don't have financial sector is down, health system is bad, the roads are bad, everything is not functional. Teachers, pensioners who used to have more money, they are now getting like $20 from a lot of money they were getting a month. Money is disappearing from NASA. Money is disappearing from minerals. No stress, nothing. We got business people who doesn't have an office, who doesn't have a staff here. We're not somebody. We've got making billions of money and buying cars for people. He's a failure, this person, this leader. And when you see, and then I'll prefer to talk to Nana Benson, who can actually come out with the truth. We can allow you to support any party you want, but something which is wrong, which is not principled, which is not nice for the nation, you must always argue. That's why sometimes some of you people anapadari in Baba Shonaga to not dismiss because you are just gullible. Amufunge kana kuitoa argument yekuti no, this is not right. So and then yourself we cannot prop you up kuti pamwe mukaenda kupati kwenyu munotaura zvine musoro kuti nyika ichinje, because all you do is you come and support mediocre. And you guys, some of you, and especially Baba Shona Napadare, you live in diaspora where you have seen something good, something which is better. And just because for yourself, Mimi, Mudakushi elevator, for your being selfish, you want to elevate yourself to make money. And you can always see that a lot of ways disengage.
Patriotism is never bought, my friend.
SHIT on everybody.
Patriotism is never bought. It might be rewarded, but it's never bought. Let me tell you
reason why Nyamashajidaroga, Padare, you know, he came publicly asking for a tractor from Chivayo. And then you can see what you go. Some of these people are empty-headed. They don't want to work hard for their stuff. They just want to beg. Somebody who is stealing money from the whole
But do you know how many tractors I can afford in my life?
So that record, and what I'm saying, Yamashisha, it's something which I'm not lying that he was asking for a tractor. Anybody who is lazy, those lazy people are the most dangerous people on earth. Lazy people are the most people who doesn't even wish for other people to achieve. Lazy people, always want to cut my corners. Right now, Baba Shona was saying, Gutizo, this bill came from Mashingo. Nyamashisha, there's no way an idea can come from 5 people simultaneously. There should be one person who put a motion to the bill, to that person is the most dangerous person to Zimbabwe. Because you see, and when you put your bill, you put a motion, you must ask all the Zimbabweans. That's what we've been saying. Right now, BT, Asungwa, okay, we were told that now we can go in public and talk about the bill. And now BT,
calm down. Chimbomamvura usaite hasha.
Yourself, if you are so sure that can you close their mic? Thank you, Nyamashi.
I'm avoiding the mic because I'm with a noise, but please.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So what we are saying is, Kanaruku support Wanevanu. Why are they afraid other people to come and table it? Now they are arresting Ginibit. Why are you arresting him? If you know you got your own people who are supporting yours, you know very well that Amuna support, that's the problem. And it didn't start today. Even by my campaign in my elections, you used to shut down a lot of rallies. You always do that. You know this. That's why sometimes we discredit you because you are not very genuine people. You know what is happening. You try to put a blind eye. One day, that ZANU-PF, if they come behind your asses, you are the very same people who will be looking for us to protect a foot. And I'm talking about this. I can give you an example. Jonathan Moyo is in exile. Kasukuwere is exile. There's a ZANU. People were very close. Space panap. I'm talking of people who were very close to the from the powers of corridors of Zimbabwe. They are in exile. ZANU PF doesn't like somebody who talks sense. ZANU PF doesn't want somebody who go against their idea and put. Right now, you are after Benson. Benson has been doing a good job for you guys. Now, when he says the truth, now he's an enemy. Guys, I'm telling you, Zimbabweans, we are not stupid. Zimbabweans, you guys right now, just because you've got the power of the army and so forth, don't ever think that Zimbabweans cannot rise and take their country. And myself, another thing is, if yourself muchiza kuti mimi mura 7 years chimbopai ka opposition leader angorana 5 years to kana atadza 5 years tautanga sei over tangoti haiwa amuri right, you can't give that opportunity because you know very well, you know you'll be exposed because I can tell you during GNU
Mwenda's politics is change Mwenda's. You know how to get power. Not opposition power.
No, we got examples. During GNU, Zvinzakatanga kufunctiona, maticha aitambira mari inonzwika, madoctor aitambira mari inonzwika. Everybody was happy in Zimbabwe. When there was GNU, there was a combination of opposition then ZANU PF. But the moment ZANU PF yakangodzokera, masalary ese, people were kutambura izvinezvi. So I can tell you that ZANU PF knows, 1980, we have never changed government. And from 1980, you guys have failed dismally in everything. And as you
now than
when we expect the young people,
no, I just want, I'm not saying stop, but you are contradicting yourself.
Guys,
your argument can be right after I'm done, okay? Right. So what happens is, you young people vari muzanu macho muri muzanu pia toke choexpecta kuti pamwe munotaura zvine musoro totozoona kuti mutori disaster itori worse, because if it was a matter of that, you guys, you argue your elders and tell them that they are messing up, and then we will say maybe if there's a different leadership in the ZANU PF, something can be better. But totoona kuti munotoda kutunhidza munhu ane atoone 88 years who is supposed to be on pension. You want to give him extra 2 years. Come on, guys. You guys, I wonder what kind of thinking you are. And don't ever think that Zimbabwe is for ZANU people only. Zimbabwe is for every Zimbabwean. When you come up, you want to touch our constitution, it must be consulted to everybody. But once talked about my consultation edu bitada kuita murukumsunga madhuku paita kuita ma meetings ake mukatubira vanhu vokumurova. So which means muri vanhu vehondo. But one day when people tata sunga one sunga dozen, trust me, you run. Vesana baba shona mesembika munotanga kutopembera kuti takusunungurai pa ZANU PF.